Ebusha fama mema akwaba efa umbra Ghana and 7 TV GH message or like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime you post a video, we will sabeka be. Ebusha for let me also use this opportunity to say happy new month and thank you for your faithfulness and loyalty to Ghana and 7 TV GH. Ebusha for these days on a lot harder, if I should say, to represent oneself as a Christian in Ghana. Now, it is because you suffer for nibi. Nyama ye wa mind mono has left a lot to be desired about yen religion na a friend of Christianity. Mimi ye Christoni. Enti mikasa minim dia mika. Look, nyama bebre wo ho a ye mpenifo a mudi asori enim, especially charismatic movement Ghana no. Odi compare adia Bible na aka no entirely is not matching. And the reason is not matching in say Bible already has set standard I say Christopher. Ye nantie ene ye kasemu ese ye disu. Now it is not I am surprised to say these days, I said the Christendom is filled with parochial interest, selfish interest. To the extent, say, men of God, bebree, have become quiet and they have become unmovable when it comes to the plight of the ordinary people. And I'm going to explain this. Monday I came. Nso kɛseɛ bi tɔɔyɛ, especially wɔ southern part a Accra ɛfladiiɛ. The initial figures are ɛba no ɛkyerɛ sɛ Ghana for maku about 37 ewu. Na nipa a wɔayɛ displaced deɛ bebree kwa. Na even sa 37 figure no kra no, there is a question mark because many people are still missing. Many people are still not yet many families have still not even yet reported losses in terms of humans. There are some houses also nsuo no enya free emuye. Enti afei na ye twen say nsuo no be give you way or be make you way. Na shocking say with everything I'm narrating, some men of God esanya the temerity and I say the desire to go and organize and I said to go and attend a purported Thanksgiving service. Meaning say Bible can say in everything we should give thanks to God. But also no there be why friend of precedence. Now their precedence actually and say last year August and chaos BC and yes a chaos crabble accident BC helicopter a form. And there were some government appointees and multi helicopter nemo. Now when that happened, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ni NDC for whatever it was that they had planned. Events nyina omo planning nyina no omo haltie. And they declared national mourning, saying so one would wonder, say, if were they 6 or 11 or so people warranted that much of a national mourning, how much more 37 plus compatriots? But some pastors just did not care. They just did not care. How did we get here? And as of for how did we get here? Yen ko te me nua bediako. Na me ka de mo makuma ye me ya.
Betina mamu so a osande allowances baaye. Emma me 1 year allowances and a mitimi di cost start year national service. Me sa wie me service awatua me ka nyina pepepe. Ma san wie service aka ho a dead goat year o create graduate unemployment association. Na do clear ya san be clear me kan ho. Emma me koye adwuma fe 6 months na me in fact me sika me areas nyina ba beto me account mu mama di mama kuma to me yem. Go back, scroll down to my videos and see how NPP employ people and your salary will flow. Go back and go and see it. Go back and go and see. Wait kwa nipe digari under na pencil. Onam wiye mu hwehwe nipa insuo farm. Kamezaya they walk on the water, part the water and let people cross onishwe. Nan a small boy continue radio station na. God is pressing judgment on somebody. I'll poor toliwa. Mukura yedi muturu mukura moju ne se mo ye nipa. Na me ameti we. Mukura yedi muturu mukura moju ne se mo ye nipa. Hello, the voice.
Yes, Audi. Hello, also.
And I'm not speaking for MPP. Media, I'm fighting for Nanado as a citizen of Ghana.
Yeah, he deserves that. Or deserves it. I mean, Nana Akufo-Addo at his age. Any experience when your life mo. Sami Jemfimu, any NDC for, they never ever considered say we are seeing after politics, and I said beyond politics, no, there is life. I thought they'd be a make catch NDC for say even war, Russia for Ukraine, even that war is regulated by rules. And scarcely that you will hear say drones are used as for attacking. No? They've used it on maybe a hostel complex for civilians or civilian facilities because all regulated by international laws. Bet me by me say but even tokwa say regulated. We must learn not to cross certain lines. But when it comes to any NDC for, they respect nothing like the sort. Nothing. Anything about me to say NDC ni I me sorry ka say Nyankopon ku Akufo-Addo mo. Don't care.
Playing crashing no.
Yes. NDC ni sorry ka say.
Yeah, for.
NDC ni sorry ka say Kufu already over 80 years no. Ni nyama nsem boni ni nyama boni a odi ye ntina and no easy wheelchair. And all these things no. Ghanaians sat down ideal. They still went ahead to vote for NDC. And what they did, Ghanaians did by that, and they say they have shown to NIT and NPP Muse, they consent to insult, they consent to indiscipline and disrespect of the elderly. And he say, if at this point in time, I think say some people, and I say NIT and NPP Muse, you are going to play by the same playbook. I don't really think that there is nothing wrong with it. Just say Uka Shaima na ye will be a thief, a pickpocket, and you see them beating that very person now. You would think, say, there are no other pickpockets in Ashaiman aside the person they have caught. Right? No thief likes to be stolen. And I say no. And this if one knows, say, there is a karma. Karma is real, number one, and there is a rule, say, he who kills by the sword must die by the sword. And so they fear their own sword. Sword meaning saying insults and curses. They fear it more than anybody. And so the moment of me say, Obi per se.
Nipa Osro insult ane Mahama.
Yes. Right. I mean,
Osro we nyansa semada.
You. Maybe where we are right now as of mine, Rita, very, very sad. Extremely sad, and we are in a very dicey.
Me say akwala kiti na makohu se o tie mu aden.
Over 30 people are losing life. Monday in Suaito. And you see, NDC for most of them, don't know munim nyansa. Don't know. Look, the first, let me start with Interior Minister Muntaka. Muntaka, one Mantina, praise Muntaka say, about NDC more, or one of the finest brains or NDC more. But NDC need it's not president Kakrape. Where Jimmy is here. NDC, who president Kakrape is here, Jimmy. And so Muntaka will come and tell you, say, California cry sixth biggest economy, say they do two as a stand-alone state. We are seeing in Emono or cry floody. What Muntaka did not tell Ghanaians is say California floodia or more rescue helicopters. Say California floodia or more inflatable boats. Say California floodia or more microphone relief items. Say California and so better California or more the kind memo 1 week prior notice. That is what Muntaka did not tell Ghanaians. What the rain that came down Sunday to Monday, it took all of us unaware. Both in Crawford, Mama appointed you, say, Ghana met you. On one case, Interior Minister, no, any abiding in any United citizens in Yinano. The rain took us unaware. Adentia, John Mama is Excellency, or per se inflation, over 3%. Sika SSS scanner, on farmer Ghana met you, François, or met me at advanced equipment. To be able to predict weather changes now. There be that on farm because they want to chant our toe is forcing, our toe is forcing, our toe is forcing. Yes. And the Interior Minister no Muntaka, I'm so disappointed by what they said. Now a brother and son tono. Ghana Fire said
wait the voice.
Yes.
Party na almost catch the doctor say. Onja is or imitate foreign culture. No on you see a limited resources in fanto ye di anema ye di. Sa part ni nene omutumi ko compare obi.
Yeah. Say about bad examples here. They always look for what bad examples to excuse their mediocrity.
Ayo.
That is what NDC is for you. Upe NDC forward Myanmar 10 different instances of mediocrity all across the world. That is where they sweep on grand level. No. They don't idea perfect. Idea revolutionary. NDC need they always look for the bad excuses, the bad examples to provide for incompetence. And the Muntaka should be ashamed when National Fire Service was nowhere to be found on that very day. Yeah, moving from Interior Ministry, NDC I don't know how they think sometimes. When it was raining, and I meet people on Facebook say, where is the military in all of this? Because advanced countries, and even some of our peers, when some of these disasters are unfolding, we fall on the military. Tracks in shallow boats and all those things can be used to rescue humans and lives. But for over almost 1 year, the first minister cry The defense minister that will give the go-ahead say, hey, please start rescuing people, military, leave the camps and start rescuing people. We have not been able to replace a defense minister, even after John Mahama himself. I promise you, say, oh, yendi call the Christmas, after Christmas, appointment. Christmas, no, he said, and 1st July. Military also nowhere to be found. Nana Akufo-Addo bought 3 helicopters for the police service. At our tenure, it was raining. People were stranded. Nkrofie was full to the brim. And people were hanging
on wall and on top of
walls and drying lines. Our Ghana police service, any under John Dramani Mahama and the vice president out here, the chairman of the police council, could not say, oh, let's use those helicopters to even send life jackets to the people. Life jackets, just be in the air like that. Just be throwing the life jackets to people who are stranded.
In the water.
In the water. Nothing of the sort. If the president himself, helicopter
no, like NDC Nankasa, no, like their head. Is there really a brain inside at all?
Unless we open and see, because this one they are doubt. Nankasa Kotna helicopter mono. It did not occur to him, say, Ebia, we can be roaming around somewhere and see, say, somebody is stranded in the water. So, am I just going to wave at the person? Am I just going to take a video of the person dying? How about life jackets? What happened to it? Nothing.
And I want helicopter no etimiba from crab at a level.
Oh yes.
Life jacket no you can just go down to a level. Not one mana adriagu in suonumune ini pafa. You can really throw it directly to some people. Na adiana sina kwasoro. Now what to store and the wood shiny
voice. Mommy minute why? Marcus said